YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Hello, everybody. We hope you are having a great day so far. We are working in our personal planner. This is the last kit we did.
That was Golden Fall.
Golden Fall. And it's so cute and pretty. The next one we're going to be doing
is Warm and Cozy.
Warm and Cozy.
Which is a winter kit.
This is so beautiful.
These are your full boxes and your appointment labels and full box checklists. Your glitter headers. Your regular checklists, your half boxes, your quarter boxes and headers. Your date strips, washi, weekend banner, icons, and more boxes.
I love this kit. The colors were so gorgeous.
Thank you.
So let's go ahead and pull out our sheet.
A slitted sheet.
A slitted sheet. A slitted sheet. A slitted.
Yeah, I can't do it either because I will say your cuss word by accident.
We have a couple of appointments this week.
Yes.
And this is going to be the 11th through something. Let's write it out. No, the 12th. 12th. Through the 18th.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're almost halfway, we're more than halfway through.
I can count.
We're more than halfway through.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Oh, he's excited. Somebody's birthday is this week.
That's right.
Yes. He's going to be the big 3-1.
The big 3-1. The big 3-1.
And we're going to have pizza and a chocolate death cake.
Chocolate death.
Death by chocolate cake.
Triple, quadruple, huh?
Yes. And multiple layers of just chocolate and fudge.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he's smacking his chops, licking his chops, and smacking them, apparently.
He's smacking his own face?
He smacks his chops, yeah, all the time. It's kind of sad.
Kind of wake up smack.
Yeah.
I love this kit. The colors are just my favorite all around colors.
Yeah, they're really pretty. I like that they're muted.
The pink and the gray.
Yeah. They're not harsh.
No, not at all. Excuse me. I like her little legs.
Yes, and this kit does come in 2 skin tones. You can get it in dark or light. So, and the options are in the drop-down menu on the website. Website.
On the Etsy.
Yes, Etsy website. Shop. Creative Faery. .etsy. And we still have a sale going on until September 1st. It is 20% off of $20 or more. And we still have free shipping on, we will always have free shipping on $35 or more. So, yes.
Yay.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Yes. Oh, and no code necessary for anything.
Good.
Yeah.
So you don't have to put in no lousy code.
No stinking codes.
No stinking code, man.
No, we don't do no codes.
Not if we can help it.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
It's pretty.
It is. The chocolate with the pink and the gray and then the blues. That's just, I would have never thought to put those together.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know. Sometimes it's difficult to pick the palettes for the kits. It depends. But wow, blooper. Other times it's not as difficult.
Ooh.
I just like to pick from what's already there.
And then kind of blend it all together.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
See what goes together in harmony. And peace. Peace and harmony.
Yeah.
Reese's Pieces. Do you remember Reese's Pieces?
I do. They don't make them anymore?
No, they do. I'm pretty sure, but it's still a really popular Halloween candy. It makes me wow, really? It makes me remember my childhood in Halloween time.
Yeah.
Which is coming up.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
And you got another Halloween kit coming out, don't you?
Yes, it's called, actually it's already out. It's called Bows and Bats. It's either Bats and Bows or Bows and Bats. It's in that order, one of those orders. And it's really pretty. It's got light pink, light blue, wine, like a dark wine color, and a dark plum color, and they are the most beautiful colors, like, ever. It's so gorgeous, I can't believe it.
Nice. I saw it. It is gorgeous.
It was so fun to make, too. So I was like, yay, this is fun and beautiful. It is beautiful. It was beautiful. Yes.
I'm using my appointment boxes this time.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But I'm going to use them like a checklist.
Mm-hmm. That's smart.
Yeah.
I like how you're using the alternating glitter in the sidebar
Yeah.
or note section. I guess it could be called whatever.
Yeah.
The blank section that does not equal a day. Yeah, I wouldn't call it that though. That was too long. Oh my goodness. Somebody's talking.
It's a loudmouth.
It is a baby.
Somebody's talking. Won't you let him in? And then I have this one.
Oh my goodness, he's still talking. He's so bad. He is a baby, a bad baby.
There. Awesome.
That's pretty.
Isn't that beautiful?
That is purtable and purtimus and beautiful.
I love it. So we got appointments.
The 13th and 15th.
Yes. 2:30. The 15th. Oh, I have to put something over this. Oh.
Aww. The 15th is also a birthday.
That's right.
Yes. So you need a birthday icon.
Forgot. 10:30.
The birthday is only at 10:30. I'm kidding, that's the appointment.
Then we have a little birthday here. Ooh, I got balloons.
Yes, and a present.
So we're going to put the balloons in. Where's the present?
Oh,
Some more
more
balloons.
balloons. I can't see. I think it's a suitcase I was looking at. But that works.
Here's it.
No, it's not there. I'll have to add
Yeah. Oh, here it is. Opening the present.
it. Oh, good. Thank you. I thought I had one.
Yeah.
You made me think like I forgot to put one in there.
Yeah. It was all my
It
fault.
was your fault.
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode. This is the new kit. I think it's adorable. It turned out so cute.
Warm and cozy.
Warm and cozy.
Available now.
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be glad to get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.